Hello guys, this is brother GS2700 model, which is 27 design built in this machine, including buttonhole and straight stitch. So today we will learn how to make all this design, how to install thread in this machine, how to fill bobbin, all this in this video. So we have to install this thread on spool holder. We have to open this plastic bobbin cover, remove plastic bobbin from inside, and we have to fill the bobbin. Thread will go always like that for the filling bobbin from bottom side to top side with the thread guide. Okay, and then thread will go inside of this small hole. Okay, after that we have to fill little bit thread by hand, or directly also we can fill little bit thread by hand and install this bobbin to the bobbin winder. After installing this bobbin to the bobbin winder, if we start the machine, you can see machine will move and bobbin will not be filled. So to fill the bobbin, we have to push this bobbin winder towards the wheel. Okay, now bobbin will work, bobbin winder will work, and machine will be stopped. Okay, now you can see bobbin is filling. I think this much thread is enough for our trial, for the demonstration, for some design whatever we have to make. After that we have to push it back, remove bobbin, and there is one knife thread cutter over there. And remember this top loading bobbin, always we are making some mistake. Thread rotation will go like this way, this is correct way. Okay, so opposite side it will be wrong. Okay, then thread will go inside of this small thread guide, and then we have to cut extra thread from there. Okay, then we can close this bobbin cover. Now we have to install thread, top thread for this machine. Okay, thread will go like this through this thread guide, then we have thread will go straight, and we have to make U-turn from there for the thread. Then we have to move the wheel, the metal lever will appear on the top. This lever, actually thread will go through this take up lever, and then there is small thread guide, thread will go inside over there. Okay, and then we have to bring needle full on the top, and there is automatic needle threader, so we can use this needle threader and threading is done for the needle. We have to catch this thread by the left hand, right hand we have to move, and the bottom thread will come up automatically. Okay, so once we will move, the bottom thread will come up, so both of these thread will go from the center of the foot back side over there. Okay, then we can install, we can use any cloth for the demonstration. So first, number one is buttonhole actually, so we will make number two, which is starting for the zigzag, which is starting for the straight stitch. This is tension, we can adjust thread tension from here, so we can see this arrow between 3 and 4 and 5. So number 4 is actually regular for the thread adjustment tension. Also this is needle positioning or zigzag adjustment. From here we can adjust the zigzag position or needle position left or right. And this is stitching length, we can adjust stitching length from here. For the design, for the straight stitch and whatever we are making stitch on the cloth, we can adjust the stitching length from here. Number 1, 2 is small, and number 3, 4 is larger one. So before we make actually zigzag, so then we change it to number 1. Number 1 actually it was for buttonhole, so Now we change to number 2, which is straight stitch. We can see the stitching length was very short, so then we move the stitching length knob from the top, and this is actually reverse lever. So whenever we use this reverse, so machine will make the cloth reverse and make double stitch over there, lock. Okay, so not easy to open that stitching lock over there. Okay, then we can see the other design and other stitches. Now we can make this zigzag design, which is number 3. We can adjust the stitching length from there, we can as per our design. So also we can adjust the width of zigzag design. Okay, so we adjust the stitching length, after that stitching width, which is for zigzag. So this is zigzag, we make very near to each other, the stitching length we make very short. Then we can move to the next design, which is number 4. Each design having different setting for the stitching length, so we can change setting as per design needs. Now I will show you before how it was and after changing the stitching length how it's look like. You see, before it was not looking clear, so after changing the stitching length it is very good looking now. So number 4 and number 5 actually they are same design, opposite to each other. We will skip number 5 and directly go number 6. Yeah, so now this is number 6, step zigzag. Now this is number 8. Sorry, number 7 it is. So each design we can customize, we can adjust little bit, which is in gray color only. For the blue color design, actually stitching length and design width is automatically fixed from the system, from the inside automatic system. We cannot adjust the stitching length or wide for the blue color design. This is number 8 design. After that we will skip some design which is not necessary, so we will directly go number 13. Okay, and then we will make the design number 14. These last 3 designs are actually most famous design. It is coming in professional zigzag designing machine. Okay, so we can see all designs are almost done, and now we will directly go to the, we have to change setting actually we make all these design which is gray color. So there is two type of setting, one is two type of design, one is gray color, one is blue color. Whenever we make design number 1, number 2, that is coming regularly which is gray color design. Okay, so when we have to make the design which is blue color, so then we have to change the knob actually from the top, which is stitching length knob. We have to bring it on SS mark, so we can see SS mark in blue area. Blue designs are related to SS, that is for number 15, 16, 17. So now we can choose any design, so machine will make the blue color design. So let's start from number 16. So you can see this is number 16 design. Now we will make number 17. We will skip some design and we will go directly to number 24. Actually some designs are looking very good, and some designs are actually in the machine is there, but not much using we are. So this design number 24. Okay, so this is basic demonstration for this machine, basic setting, basic adjustment. And this is actually we skip one thing which is buttonhole option. So buttonhole option, actually there is one special foot which is making buttonhole